Balance the ball, balance the ball, balance the ball, balance the ball. I catch the ball. I put it here. I chekecha. Okay. My beautiful kids, this is class 1. Class 1, as you can see here, class 1. Socrates School. And if you remember, we did this exam on the 30th of March 2020, though today is 12th of May 2020. We are continuing with our online studies and online learning, whatever the way. This is healthcare and environment. Healthcare and environment. Question number 1 says choose. Okay, first of all, you have to choose the correct answer. You can't choose the wrong one, please. So question number 1, when someone is hurt, when someone is hurt, when someone is hurt, we give dash. When someone is hurt, what do we give? Of course, when someone is hurt, we give, do we give tea or first aid? We give first aid, the immediate care given to a patient just after an injury is called first aid. First aid. Tea, we normally take tea in the morning, sometimes in the evening, but not because someone is sick. No, it is just because someone likes it. I like taking tea. You know that? Okay, question number 2. We should brush our dash after every meal. After every meal, what should we brush after every meal? Look at this. Should we brush our feet? Should we brush our feet or should we brush our teeth? Now, we can't brush our feet, my dear friends, because our feet is down our legs. We can only brush our teeth because we find our teeth in our mouth. Good, wonderful. Let's go to question number 3. Balance the ball, balance the ball. Question number 3. We breathe and smell through the we breathe and smell through the we breathe and smell through the nose. We breathe and smell through the nose. Of course, some people can say that we breathe through the mouth. Yes, but we can't smell through the mouth. We can only smell through the nose. That's why we said we breathe and smell through the nose. Look at question number 4. My hair is dash in color. My hair is dash in color. My hair is dash in color. My hair is black in color. Your hair is not white. You are not old. You are, how old are you, by the way? I'm sure you are not 50 years old. You are 5 years, 6 years, 7 years old. So your hair is black. Let's look at question number 5. We use dash to clean our nose. What do we use to clean our nose? Do we use towel? No, we don't use towel to clean our nose. We use towel to clean or wipe our body. When our body, after taking shower, our body becomes watery and we use towel. But we can only use handkerchief. To clean our nose, we can use handkerchief. Question number 6. Dash is used to clean our ears. What is used to clean our ears, my dear pupils? Do we use toothbrush to clean our ears or we use ear stick? Definitely we use ear stick. Toothbrush is for the teeth. I brush my teeth early in the morning. I wake up from my bed. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. You have to brush your teeth every day. Question number 7. We work to get dash and money. Money. We work to get dash and money. To get what? Do you work to get food and money or fun and money? I love food, so you definitely work to get food and money. Okay, look at question number 8. We walk with our How do you walk? Do you walk with your legs or with your stomach? We walk on foot. We walk on feet. We walk on foot. We walk on feet. But we walk with our legs, not the stomach. Have you ever seen now? Hey, this is my stomach, I'm walking. Where are you going to? I am going to Swahilini to do what? I am going to buy pipi. And there is your stomach? No, not like that. Look at question number 9. A dash is part of the body. A dash is part of the body. Is a leaf part of the body? No, a leaf is part of a tree, a plant. But the nose, that is the part of the body that we know of. What about question number 10? A dash is part of the plant. Have you ever seen now a stone being part of the plant? No, a stem is part of a plant. Look at question number 11. A snake has dash legs. A snake has dash legs. A snake has dash legs. Now, does a snake have 6 legs or 0 legs? A snake has no leg. So, a snake has 0 legs. Look at question number 12. Dash helps us to feel hot and cold. Dash helps us to feel hot and cold, not the tongue. The tongue helps you to taste whether this thing is sweet, like sweet. You know, sweet is sweet. Lollipop, those are sweet. But the skin helps you to feel hot or cold. Like right now, I have a jacket because it is cold. My skin feels cold. But when it is sunny, a sunny day, I have to put away my jacket because it is hot. My skin tells me that it is hot. Okay, my beautiful kids, don't forget the basics in English. Always speak English because English is a wonderful subject. You'll enjoy it. But at the same time, don't forget very important issues. You have to wash your hands. Wash your hands frequently. You can even put on masks, but always wash your hands.